Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll be showing you a simple method to fix Bluetooth not working problem on your Camon 50. All you need to do is follow the steps given on the screen to get the issue fixed without any difficulty. If you find this useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Let's start.